Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi Note 14S, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this phone. Now, before you get started, you will need to grab a SIM eject tool similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paperclip, extract one on the ends, and it should work just as well. Now, once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which will be located on the top left side of the phone, right here. So grabbing your tool, you want to push it in. You can see that the tray pops out, just a tiny bit, but enough for you to pull it out. Now on the tray, you actually have space for 2 SIM cards, or 1 SIM card and 1 SD card. So you just grab one of the cards, place it like so on the tray, grab your SIM, there we go, and then carefully insert it back into your device. When you do so, these cards, there we go, should start working right away without any kind of prompts needed. For me, I do have a pin set on my SIM card, so I do need to confirm it. And that will unlock my SIM card. And also you can see a notification right here that Samsung SD card has been basically detected. So SD card is working as well without any kind of steps needed. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.